So here we have someone with very long hair. I'd say her hair was initially wasteland, had this amazing sheen on it. Wow, what a dramatic transformation. So not only did she cut her hair, but she also dyed it like a salt and pepper. Very cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of haircut transformations. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a shorter style, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles, options, and ideas spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful mid-length cut that the stylist did with that transformation. And then we once again see someone with long hair. Oh, he's doing the pixie. Absolutely stunning. She looks amazing. And then we once again see the transformation to a shoulder length bob haircut, followed by another lob. And then we have various bob haircut styles. So it looks like the stylist is doing a bob haircut for this particular transformation. Gorgeous shoulder length bob style. A little bit of layers towards the end. Really pretty. Then we see someone with a super long waist length hair. Gorgeous shoulder length lob. Beautiful. Very nice, simple and chic transformation. Now it looks like the stylist is going to be cutting some layers with this one. Very nice mid-length cut. Face framing layers, beautiful waves. Saying goodbye to lockdown hair. So it looks like she's in the salon getting some color. Getting the hair trend into a beautiful pixie. Gorgeous color, wow. Beautiful bright blonde and a pixie. Nice switch up to this platinum pixie. Gorgeous transformation. I really like the spiky texture that this has as well. So chic and modern. So it looks like we have someone that is interested in getting a bob. Stylist places the hair in ponytails. Gorgeous chic bob haircut. Comes to around the jawline. And she definitely has the cheekbones for this. Beautiful. So we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's going to be doing a big chop. She does have her curly texture there underneath. Looks like she ended up getting a bob. So it looks like the stylist is doing a pixie haircut for this transformation. Adding in some color. Ooh, beautiful bright blonde pixie haircut. This is stunning. And I really like the choppy texture that this has as well. Very nice. Alright you guys, if you enjoyed checking out those hairstyles, you'll be sure to like this one next.